Hello praisers and savers, welcome to my channel. My name is Sandy. I'm so glad you guys are all here. Today is Wednesday, October 13th. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Sometimes it just goes so fast. Today we'll be heading into Publix to get some deals. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell and click all so you know when all of my videos are going to be on the channel. Please share with your friends. My channel is growing and I just want you guys to be part of everything. Also, please visit my website. It is called Praising and Saving. My Instagram is also Praising and Saving. And then my Facebook channel, Facebook page is also Praising and Saving. So all of them are the same handle on all the platforms. I would love to have you on all of those. All right, guys, so we're heading into Publix. Most of the coupons I'm going to show you today are printable coupons that I either printed from coupons.com, or if it's a website, I will have it in the description box under the printable breakdown. So if you're not sure where to get some of the coupons, I will say in the video, and then I also will put it in the printable breakdown for you guys. My printable breakdown is in the description box. It is also located on my website, so if you need it. Also, we will be using IBOTTA and Fetch in this YouTube video. But if you are not part of any of the rebate apps, IBOTTA, Fetch, Shopkicks, or Swagbucks, I would love to have you guys on my team. My referral codes are in the description box as well. Generally, you get a kickback and I do as well. I believe right now IBOTTA has it where you get $10 for signing up under me, and then I get $10 as well. So it helps us both out. So, all right, I think that's about it, guys. Let's get started. All right, got a great deal on this Screamin' Cecilia pizza. These are buy one, get one free. They're usually $9.29. We're gonna pick up one of them at $4.60. Then we're gonna use this $1 off coupon that I got from the Screamin' Sicilian website. So it's gonna bring this down to $3.60 per box. Now I was only able to print that coupon one time. It wouldn't let me print twice. Some people said they could print twice, but I could not do that. So $3.60 for a $9.29 pizza is a pretty awesome deal. In addition to that $3.60 after using coupons, there is $1 coming back on IBOTTA. So that's $1 rebate on IBOTTA, making these just $2.60 each. And the good thing about the IBOTTA rebate is it can be done up to 5 times. So if you get more than one coupon, you can do it multiple times. So $2.60 will be the final cost of the pizza. All right, so the next thing I'm getting is this Tostina's pizza rolls. Now my daughter is trying her best to understand them. Buy one, get one free. And since we live in South Carolina, we do not have to buy both of them. We're not in a true BOGO state. So we can just buy one at $2.40.
But the other one is free.
I know the other one is free, but we don't have to pay. We don't have to get both of them. So
why don't we get both of them?
So we're
missing out on a good deal.
I gotta argue over here. $2.40 for the Tostina's pizza rolls, and we have $1 digital on the Publix app, so we don't need any paper coupons for this. Bringing this down to $1.40 per bag. This deal right here is just in time for my family. So this 12 mega big pack of toilet paper is $9.99, and I need this right now. We are on our last little bit. Haven't had good toilet paper deals since before the pandemic. I went to the Angel Soft website and got this $1.50 printable coupon on the website, bringing this down to $8.50 for this large pack, and we're saving probably about $5 or so after our savings at Publix and also our coupon. All right, so I literally get so excited about getting free dog food or really cheap dog food, and we don't have a dog. Don't plan on getting a dog, never will get a dog, so this is a funny thing.
It's for our cat.
It's for a cat. Nah, I doubt she'll eat it. Okay,
she might
so
eat it.
This Nature's Recipe grain-free dog food is originally $11.59. It's buy one, get one free this week, so it'll bring it down to $5.80 per bag. We have a $3 coupon that we printed from coupons.com. There's also a $2 digital coupon on the Publix app if you do not have that $3 coupon, making these just $2.80 per bag. So such a good deal, coming almost all the way down from like $9 in savings for that. I did not know all had a baby design. It's kind of like the draft, but the draft is always expensive. So this all baby, and I need this. I have a baby shower coming up soon, so this would be perfect. These are $10, buy one, get one free. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick up one of these at $5. and then we're going to use this $1 off coupon from the Ask Team Clean website. And this, I will have it linked in the printable breakdown for you guys. So the Ask Team Clean website has like all in snuggle coupons. So it's going to bring it down from $10 all the way with that coupon to $4, that $1 off coupon. So really great deal on a large bottle of all. Of course, you can get all the different smells and types, but I'm going to get this one, this baby one. All right, getting some CLR. This is something I don't normally buy, but I will keep it because you never know when you're going to need that to help clean some rust stains in the tub especially. So one of these, because these are buy one, get one free. These are usually $5.69. But we're going to get one of these at $2.85. We're going to submit to IBOTTA at $1.25, making these just $1.60. So we're bringing this down almost $4 for one bottle of CLR. All right, guys, you know I'm all for being practical on my channel and getting things that my family needs and wants. So this half gallon of milk, we actually got this already before, but the coupon is back in my gallery. These half gallons of these Publix milks are $2.99. There's a 75-cent digital coupon on the app, bringing this down to $2.24 per half gallon. You can get the chocolate milk you want if you want or anything like that, but $2.24 for a half gallon of milk using only the Publix app. These Breakstone sour creams are on sale for $5 for $10, making them just $2 each. We have a $1 off coupon on the Publix app, bringing it down to $1 each. So $1 each for some sour cream. We're saving about $1 and I think 39 cents per container of sour cream. I could not believe my eyes. These Downy Defies are $1.99. All right, these are on my clearance section, so check your clearance section to see. I've bought these before. I've never used it, but guys, we have a $3 coupon from the last P&G. So you know what that means, guys. $2 minus $3, that means -1. That's a $1 moneymaker. And that's $1, $2, $3 in a moneymaker that we're going to be getting today to cover our other items like our milk that we don't have high value coupons for. So essentially, I'm getting all these for free, plus my milk I'm getting for free because my overage is going to cover that. Super, super excited. Always check your clearance section. All right, got another money maker on this clearance section. These are $1.49. I have this $1.50 coupon that I printed from coupons.com. Going to give us back 1 penny. So we're making a penny off this. I'm so excited. You know I love to put these little packs in the blessing bags. So it's pretty awesome deal. Check our clearance section. All right, one of my favorite things to do is stock up on medicine. You never know when you're going to need something in the middle of the night. So this Robitussin is on sale. It's in the clearance section for $3.31. I have a $1 off coupon that I printed from coupons.com, bringing this down to $2.31. So easy peasy deal. Super excited about it. I believe this coupon expires in a couple days, but make sure you guys try it out. Goodness gracious, my clearance section is on fire today. So this Snuggle is $1.99 in my clearance section. I have a $1 off coupon that I printed from that Ask Team Clean website. Same one I printed the all coupon for. So go ahead and print those off. I'm going to get this whole bottle of amazing Snuggle for just 99 cents. 99 cents for this. So check it out, guys. This was also a moneymaker. I wasn't able to show it to you in the video because I was at checkout. So these are $1.49 each. And like I said, I found them at the checkout. I love these to throw in my purse or in my car. My students also love these too. I'll put them in the treasure box. I have one student. She thinks she's a little nurse. She's adorable. So these are $1.49 each. There is a $3 off coupon on Johnson & Johnson products in the Publix circular. I'm putting that up on the screen for you guys, making this a penny moneymaker each or a 2-cent moneymaker. So very excited about these. I get them every time they come out. So please check your Publix circular for a freebie plus a moneymaker. All right, Praisers and Savers, just got home and loaded everything. I wanted to come inside and finish filming for you guys and show you my receipt. Everything went absolutely great at checkout. They did not question anything. All the clearance items, all that, everything went really well. The only thing that was different was I actually got another IBOTTA rebate, which was a 10-cent on the milk. So it brought the milk from $2.24 down to $2.14 because it was an any milk rebate. And of course, if you checked your IBOTTA rebate lately, there is a 10-cent any receipt on there as well. So that included. So I had $3.20 worth of IBOTTA. I also submitted my receipt to fetch. Only got about 50 points, which isn't much at all, but that is okay because all the points add up over time. So always make sure you submit your receipt to fetch. So here is my receipt. Here's my breakdown. Remember, I was getting some groceries and some things as well. So my order total was $53.81. My daughter's got some cookies and things for school, and that is fine. So that's not exactly, it's not the best thing. But I had to get more things than what I needed on there. Remember, we got the toilet paper and the detergent. My kids got some $10 cookie kit thing. But anyways, so we had $30 in vendor coupons. That's a lot of coupons. That's a lot of coupons for vendor coupons. And then we had $3.75 in the store coupons. And those store coupons are going to be your digital coupons on your app when you put your phone number in. And then there was a special price savings. That's $28. And that's going to be your BOGO, all that. So we had a savings of $61.85. In addition to that, we had the $3.20 from IBOTTA, and we had that 50 points from Fetch. So with that, our $56 we spent, it was about $52 or so. And remember, I got those cookies and things. But overall, really great trip. Really happy with that. You happy, Hannah? Mm-hmm. Yep. Got a cute little helper right here. Hello.
Hi.
So, all right, guys. So I'll see you next time. We'll be doing Friday is Walmart day. So, bye.